beloved guests of all ages. From the bottom of our hearts, the team at Tryon International thanks you for sharing part of your holiday celebration with us today. The winter season is a special occasion with traditions that remind us of beloved memories past and provide timeless stories for generations to come. With the beauty of the rolling foothills of North Carolina's Blue Ridge Mountains as our backdrop, the Tryon Winterfest Village is a place for all to gather and savor the magical sights, tastes, and sounds of the season. We leave you tonight with this musical celebration of the holidays. Please get home safely, and until we see you again, we hope you carry fun and cherished memories together here at Tryon International Equestrian Center. Oh, Rudolph Regiment!
Everyone ready? Awesome! Here we go. Up, up, down. This one will determine if you're naughty or nice. Here we go! Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Turn, and up, turn, and up, and heel, and heel, and heel, and heel. And wave your arms in the air, and wiggle like you just don't care. Awesome job, everybody. Now horseshoe. I think we can keep rocking on, right?
I can help you with that. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit reign. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, the bushels are fine. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, the bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. What a bright time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go around in a one-horse sleigh. Get up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix in a jingle and a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Get up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix in a jingle and a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock.
All right. Well, that concludes our musical celebration for the evening. Horseshoe has to get back to his stables, and we have to get a jump start on Christmas. Everyone, please get home safely, and from all of us to you, happy holidays and Merry Christmas. After you, Horseshoe.